In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the air intake hose on this Honda Civic. This is going to be attached to the air box. Let's get into it. Using a 5.5 millimeter socket, we're going to loosen up this clamp. All right, it's loose. Just pop that hose off. I just used a pry bar, but you might be able to just slip it off. We're going to take these two bolts out. Use a 10 millimeter socket. Just going to use the magnet. Pull that bolt out. Now take the air box. Take that lower snorkel off. And just set it to the side. Just want to grab the box and pull forward and up. Now disconnect the mass airflow sensor. Just push down on the tab. Slide the connector off. Then there's a retainer right here. Just going to use some needle nose pliers. Just squeeze the little tabs on the retainer. Pop that off. Pull the airbox out. There's a hose clamp right there. I'm just going to use some needle nose pliers. Squeeze the hose clamp. And try to slide this pipe out. All right, pull that pipe out of the way. That's good. There's another hose in the back that's just going through a retainer. You want to pop that out, and then a wiring harness. Just pop these out of the retainers. You can just do that with your hands. You don't need any special tools. Using a 5.5 millimeter socket, we're going to loosen up this clamp. Now just grab it. You can wiggle it back and forth a little. Slide it off. I'm going to take the new one. Just slide it in place. Get that lined up. You can move the wires in place through the grommets or through the holder, the hold downs. The retainers. Get the hose lined up for this tube. Squeeze the clamp. Slide that in. If you have to, you can twist it a little. Get that to line up. All right, push that in. Now I'll tighten the clamp up. All right, that's good. I'll take the other hose, slide that in the retainer. That's good. Now we can put the airbox back in. Take the airbox. You want to connect the mass airflow sensor. And then the retainer, and push that into place. That's good. We can slide this in. Connect the hose. If you need to, you can loosen the clamp. If you need to, you can use a screwdriver or a pick to try to guide it on. There we go. That's lined up. You can attach the lower one as well. Make sure it's all the way on, and we can tighten that down. Give it a wiggle, make sure it's tight, it's good. And put these bolts in. Get those started, and then we'll tighten them down. And there you go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.